Hello guys! So I wanted to change things up a bit and try to make some different content. Usually I just do these how-to tutorials kind of videos, how to make animals with plus plus, how to make movie characters, Pokemon, all that kind of stuff. But in this video I wanted to make it more of a vlog kind of style. I've made one before which was really short, so this is gonna be a bit longer. So, backstory behind this. Yesterday it was my birthday, and after some family stuff, we went home, and my girlfriend asked, "So, what do you want to do for the rest of the night?" And I wanted to watch a good movie. I hadn't watched the last Star Wars movie, and we have Disney Plus, so I suggested that one, and we watched it. And afterward, I thought, okay, I need to make more Star Wars builds with plus plus. And I've made one video before, which was a larger build of the X Fighter. Um, but in order to make an army or something like that, you would need a lot of plus plus pieces. So instead, I wanted to make micro builds. So of course, when you do things, try to make things smaller, then you're missing some details. But that's okay if it could just look like recognizable still. I think that's important. And of course, also the sizing have to be not exactly what it should be. But let's look at some of the stuff I made. So first we have the basic unit here, the clone, and he is white and black in the movie, but since white is the primary color of his suit, I just decided to make it white, and his gun was just a simple black piece pointing forward. And this is kind of the style I do for all of the builds in this Star Wars series here. That a black piece pointing forward, that's just a gun. And you'll see this with the other builds, like the scooter here. I don't remember what it's called. Is it speeder or it has certain name, these kind of scooter things. But again, like little gun pointing forward, and we have some neon red at the back. That's supposed to look a bit like fire, something like that. And the guy inside with no gun, because he is of course controlling the vehicle. And also he sits quite tight, so he won't fall off. So that's nice. And then at the back here we have the walkers. I always like these from Star Wars. I don't know, just something about it looked like a giant elephant or something like that. I think they're really neat. And again, we have the theme with the gun here and small head, and compared to the like the troop here, the clone, it isn't like really comparable to the movie, but that's not the point of this build, to make it completely accurate size measure wise. So it's just have to look like what it's supposed to be. And then here in the back, it was one of the newer movies, so I decided to make Kylo Ren with his cross lightsaber, and he is just like same as the troops here, but black instead, because most of his suit is black. And I just tried to keep it really simple. And in the back here we have the spaceship, just black and with wings pointing up and little red window. It's what I thought it kind of looked like. And again, really simple build. then we have the allies, or the force that are fighting against, which are these X-wings. I really love that vehicle, but yeah, again, just make it small. The guns here and fire behind and blue window, and then I added these transparent white pieces here to make it look like it's flying. And I do that with a lot of my builds if I want them to like float, or if it's like a sea animal that's supposed to be swimming, then I make this platform. So there really ain't much to it. So yeah, this probably doesn't seem like a fair fight, but it's what I came up with, and it's not from any particular movie or scene. It's just something I came up with. So if you like this kind of vlog content instead of my usual tutorials, then let me know. Also, I will probably do a video on some of these builds. But yeah, have a great day, and let me know if you want more of this. Okay, bye.